Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, October 4th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3.25 points to 25.29.5 per contract. Yesterday, the markets carved out another solid up day. Volume has been very light this week. That has been the case really since last month, but nonetheless, the markets still continue to grind up higher almost each and every day. All right, as usual, we're going to take a look at stocks in the news. Let's go right to PepsiCo. PEP is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $107, closed at 109.13. So Pepsi with a good little sell-off there. This is coming on the back of an earnings report. We will try to have some levels for you once the opening bell rings. So I'm going to be working on them. Right now, I'm not seeing anything in particular that I love or hate. But again, around the 106.75, 106.80, that's what I'm thinking will be our best level. But I'm going to try to work that out before the opening bell. But keep Pepsi on the radar today. That will be in play. Next up, we want to take a look at Mylan Labs. MYL is a ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $32.53. Great bounce today, up at $37.82. Mylan making a move here as they got an FDA approval for a drug that Teva Pharmaceutical has. And again, this is causing Mylan to get a big pop. Now, if you look at Teva, that is getting a big drop. So Teva closed at $18.82, now trading at $16.60. Was briefly below $16. I believe Momenta Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol MNTA, is also dropping on that news as they were trying to race to get a drug out to compete with Teva's, but looks like Mylan beat them to the punch. So again, Momenta trading down sharply. This stock closed at $17.50, now trading at $13.30. If Momenta by some chance gets down to $10 today, that is a good area for a day trade. So keep that on the radar today. All right, let's take a look here at Netflix this morning. Ticker symbol is NFLX. And what you're going to see here is Netflix getting a little bit of a pop. It looks like they had a target raised by a firm. So again, I'm not sure. I'm not really in love with the Netflix chart on the daily. But nonetheless, it is getting a little bit of a pop. Here's the ugly pattern you'll see right here. Bearish inside bar, holding the 50-day moving average. It's upticking into this red bar, so we'll watch that closely. But nonetheless, Netflix getting a little bit of a bid, trading at 181.35 this morning. It looks like Broadsoft, or BSFT, is in the news today. Looks like there's some private equity speculation possibly taking over here. Stock right now trading at 53.13. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. We have Roku getting hit today. I think options are going to start to trade on Roku this coming Friday. Stock right now is trading at $20.90. Yesterday, it closed at right around this same area. So, again, it is off the worst levels. Earlier today, it was below $20. We'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Monsanto reported earnings. Stock closed yesterday at $119.69, trading at $120.60. So, little uptick there from Monsanto. I don't think there's all that much upside in this name either way. Winnebago is downgraded. WGO is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $45.09. This is a good downgrade because this stock was very overbought. If you take a look at a monthly chart, that is parabolic. Anything that goes parabolic has to come back to earth. So, again, I don't really disagree with that downgrade there. Twitter is in the news today. It looks like Twitter is in the news due to Disney. Disney confirming they did weigh a bid for Twitter, but decided to go a different route. So Twitter is trading up a little bit. Stock right now is at $17.82. Closed at $17.59. So Twitter's hanging in there, and we'll see how that plays out today. But Twitter will be important. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Looking at gold futures, nice little bounce up today. Gold futures up $5 right now, trading at $1279.60. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that went all the way up to 121.80, now trading at 121.30, but yesterday closed at 120.83. So nice little uptick there for gold. We'll see if it can hold today. Gold has been under pressure a lot lately, and again, did hit a significant support level yesterday and the day before. Let's take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil futures trading down just 6 pennies to $50.36 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that's trading at $10.17, basically right where it closed yesterday. So we're not going to make too much out of crude oil this morning. We'll see how it plays out. Now, real quick, just to reiterate something. Markets have been a little bit on the quieter side. Volume has been very, very light. But next week we start earnings season. So get ready for that. Earnings season will be back, and we'll get lots of morning trades, morning action. It will definitely start to pick up there with earnings season coming upon us. But again, right now, today, we have Pepsi in play, Mylan in play. We're going to take a look at Netflix, and we'll look at Monsanto and Twitter as well. But with that being said, everybody, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Get the trade right alongside of us. We're running a pretty good streak right now. And again, we're going to try to stay hot all the way to the end of 2017 and beyond. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here. Short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.